We're looking at 16 million people losing health care. It's being debated right now as we speak in the Senate. Nutrition cuts for seniors and veterans, huge tax cuts for the wealthiest and the largest corporations in this country. And while this is being debated, Donald Trump is causing chaos and fear across our country. I want to ask the governors in the remaining time that we have. It is clear that health care and these impacts of this bill will impact all three of your states greatly. And so I have a brief question. What is the bigger risk to your state? Ripping away health care from millions of people across the country, thousands and thousands in your own states, or the law-abiding, working, undocumented folks in your states? And I'll let you each go ahead and give that answer. We'll start with Governor Pritzker.
Thank you very much, Congressman Garcia. There are 770,000 people who stand to lose their health care in the state of Illinois, perhaps even more, depending on how this bill turns out. And I can tell you that there are people who are dependent upon Medicaid and Medicare to survive. I am deeply, deeply concerned about the deaths that will occur as a result of the cuts, not to mention that we're taking away SNAP benefits from families that need it most, and children. Veteran services, people who have PTSD, who need to see their therapist at a certain time, now have to wait much longer periods of time because of the threat of this bill. So I'm deeply concerned. DOJ has taken away one of our facilities in the state of Illinois already. It's a huge problem, and that is the threat.
Thank you, Governor Walz.
Yeah, thank you, Congressman. In Minnesota, in 2023, we were ranked as the top state for health care, home of the Mayo Clinic. We have more people covered almost than any other state. This bill would take 250,000 people off of health care, make it more difficult, reduce the outcomes we're getting. 40% of those are children receive their care through that way, and over 70% of nursing home patients. It would be catastrophic, and the state has built it up to improve lives of all of our citizens.
Thank you. And finally, Governor Hochul.
Health care is a basic human right, and I'm proud in the state of New York that 95% of people in our state have health care coverage. But these devastating cuts will throw off at least 1.5 million New Yorkers, and not just those individuals, but when hospitals in rural areas have to shut down, the entire community will lose important services. So this will have a ripple effect through our economy and hurt more than just the people who lose their Medicaid, and it is devastating and absolutely unwarranted. And we encourage everyone to stand up, speak up on behalf of their constituents, especially those from the state of New York who represent rural areas. They're counting on you.
Thank you. Governors, I thank you and I yield back.